This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. What are the soft skills required? Many people say, I got rank, I didn't get job. But if you are just going to get a rank and be a bookish bookworm, you won't get. So please, could you share the some kind of soft skills which every student should work on?
Okay. Very important question again, Alok, because soft skills are something which will take you to places, as per what I have believed so far. Because having a degree, having a rank, or having good numbers on your CV is not important. How do you groom yourself? How do you carry yourself? Are you looking presentable, or you are just looking like somebody else? So when you are dressing up properly, the respect comes automatically. So dress accordingly. I'm not saying that you have to be wearing all new dresses every day. I'm just telling that be presentable. That
Exactly.
looks matters. When you are dressed well, you feel more confident from deep within. So that is one important thing. And your communication. Your communication is absolutely very important, because what you say is not important. How did you say that matters a lot to everybody, whether it is at home or at your office or at any places, wherever you are going, even in the court of law. I cannot just talk some
True.
Blair language with the judge over there. So you have to be very focused on your language. um, See, if I have to go and present it to somebody, I make my notes. Even today, for that matter, in the board meeting, before I enter the board meeting, I do my rehearsal. It may sound kiddish, it may sound something small, but it is very important. When I'm focused, when I've done my rehearsal once, then I know I have done it properly. If I have mistakes in my own tone, in my own language, then I can modify. I still have an opportunity to make the edits, right? So that is very important. Don't miss out on those details, because it is you who has to make yourself more valuable. It's not somebody else. Alok may say that, okay, Velavati is having so many years of experience, so much of knowledge, etc., etc., and very much qualified. Yes, how am I bringing value to these words, what he's written, what he's saying? That is very important in an organization. Organization may tell 100 things, but don't lose out on your attention. And very importantly, my dear students and CS fraternity members, we get thrilled and we get excited at the success. It's not wrong, but what is next? Look forward to that. If you are number one, staying there is important. There may be so many other people challenging you. So staying number one is very important. Now I can say I'm working for a number one pharma company. There are a lot many other companies chasing this company to put it down, right? So like that, if you're number one in your profession, you have to be knowing what is that you are going to bring to the table of the board of or anybody else who is your stakeholders.
I think from if I have to summarize whatever you told to our students, communication is one line every student should really work on. In fact, all our guests on the World of Company Secretaries, the show which we do on YouTube, everyone stresses that communication is so important. And the second thing which most of the guests are telling, and even today CS Vedavati has shared, is that it is you who bring value to yourself. And that's a very important message. If you work on yourself, definitely you can get all these skills. It is not that any of the guests or any of us were born with all of this. We had to learn English, we had to learn the presentation, we had to get groomed. And this is something which can be learned. It is not something which comes from the sky. It is all up to how much efforts that you give. That's a very important message which our guest has given. So now that you have told us all about right from your days of a student to working in the corporate and how it's actually working in the corporate, and your experiences also you shared with the board members and stuff like that, what is your final message to the students? Because everyone is in a different stage. Somebody is in foundation, somebody is in the executive entrance test, executive level, professional, and they're in their own struggle. Looking back, what is your message to them?
Don't give up. That's a one strong message. Don't give up, because the returns are really very high. You cannot even imagine.
I think my question was longer, and I'm so happy you just answered in one line, which is so apt and perfect. That's really true. I really request with Vedavati, our guest, please don't give up. Like Vedavati ma'am is already a CS for 14 years. She's working in the number one pharma company. And this is just one person. Like there are hundreds more who have been successful, and all of them were students just like you. They did not come from the sky. So this is something every student should really work upon.